How to open RAR files in Windows 10. Or how to extract RAR files in Windows 10. Okay. In this video, I'm showing you the easiest and most free way to do it. Let me start. Firstly, here you can see I have a file that is in RAR format, and it can't be opened on this computer. Now to open it all, what I have to do is open any web browser that is on your computer. Here type to search 7-zip. Select 7-zip download. Click to open this first link. Here select the bit version that you are using for your computer. In this case, for me I use 64-bit. So, click to download. When the download complete, click to open. Click on Yes to continue. Here click on Install. Done. Now click on Close. Now right-click the RAR file. Select 7-zip. On this side select Extract to. And done. So, we have successfully opened the RAR files. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech-related content. Thanks for watching.